right, we are back. In our last video, you saw that we were mid-kitchen renovation. It is now completely redone. I'm excited to show you. But if you don't remember, take a look at this clip. I decided that I'm gonna just flip this house. We're gonna put it right back on the market. So to get the price that we needed, I had to redo the kitchen. So we actually tore out the kitchen, put in a brand new kitchen. I'm so excited to see what it looks like when it's done. All right, so we followed the exact same layout as the original kitchen. So upper cabinets, as you can see, we put in a nice backsplash. This is probably my favorite part of this, a nice big sink overlooking the window, nice and deep. We call this a farm sink. As well, come take a look at the bathroom. We completely redid it. As you can see, new floors, new vanity, new toilet, and a brand new tub insert.